First, lay out the frame pieces and corner connectors. For the 1-inch profile frame, there will be 4 corner connectors with screws and 4 flat corner connectors. Stack them screw side up and insert into the corners of the frame. Make sure the corner is flush. Hold in place and tighten with the Allen key. Repeat the same steps to the closest corner of the frame. For the last 2 corners, insert both stacks of corner connectors and slide together at the same time. Repeat the tightening steps. Now it's time to insert your print. You'll notice a silicone beading around the edge of the print. Start with one corner, fold the silicone beading down, and insert it into the frame. It's important to move to the opposite corner next. Once the rest of the corners are inserted, start in the middle and insert the rest of the print. Let's get this on the wall. Depending on the size of your frame, you will either have 1 or 2 brackets. Make sure you are level and screw into the wall and insert the 2 anchors. Then add the mount, make sure that it's facing up, and then screw into the wall. Any questions? Email us at info@bigwalldecor.com.